Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet, with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and databases on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics,
Asa to imo te? Cloud-based service. So, ang cloud-based service is a rendering storage space and tools on an internet.
Like email services platform. Ga-store siya sa email and accessible devices.
Ang expert insight sa dani is ga-store siya sa information securely ga-manage application online. So, ang real-world examples ani niya is online storage like Google Drive and iCloud. Kaya ga-store siya sa mga documents, photos, or videos.
So, kung ginakaroon kay ang kaning storage is kung nabiya po na karon sa ato, no? Okay. Ang di balay sa email gyapon, ga-store gyapon kada page storage, di ba? Dito na ito ibutang.
Lagi na tanong.
Lagi na tanong.
Ang recommendation niya is be mindful at always sa data sa ating mga customer and ensure the data protection.
So, ang innovation of business growth ani is analyzing data from cloud service can provide an valuable insight from decision making, helping business and identify trends, customers, and preference and new opportunities. So, ang big help gyapon ni ang cloud service, no, kay makakuan din sa atong storage, maka-manage. And also, thank you, and that's all.